In the videos before, we have shared about how to introduce yourself and introduce your friends. And today in this video, I will share with you on how to address your family members in Chinese. Okay, let's start with the first. Parents, 父母。爸爸 means father. Mama means mother. And now is siblings. I know in English we don't separate older brother or younger brother, but in Chinese we usually separate. So in Chinese, elder brother is 哥哥 and younger brother is 弟弟. And same to sister, 姐姐 elder sister, 姐姐 and younger sister, 妹妹. In English, whatever mother said or father said. But in Chinese, we call mother's sister is 阿姨. Mother's brother, we call 舅舅. And father said, a father's sister, we call 姑姑. And father's brother, we call 叔叔. Do you get it? In Chinese, mother and father's parents we call grandfather and grandmother too. But mother's father we call 外公. And mother's mother we call 外婆. And father's side we call father's father 爷爷. And the father's mother 奶奶. So, do you get it? Okay, so what have you learned? And let me know. Type it in the comment section below. And if this video has helped you, don't forget, give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please hit the subscriber bell button below because you will be updated each week with our new videos that will be showing on your homepage. If you think this video can benefit to someone, please share it to them so that we can help more and more learners on their Chinese learning journey. And I will see you on our next videos. Bye bye!